ReNerve is a medical device company focused on developing surgical solutions for the repair and replacement of injured peripheral nerves. Healthy, functioning nerves are the link between our brain and our limbs, helping us walk, run, jump, and eat. When peripheral nerves are injured, it can significantly impact people's lives. Every day, people unfortunately suffer trauma, often resulting in injuries. Some of these injuries will result in damage to peripheral nerves. These injuries range from the nerve being cut through, transected, to significant severe trauma of the nerve. For injuries where the nerve is cut and no nerve needs to be replaced, or only a very short piece of nerve is missing, it is possible to repair the cut nerve by connecting the two nerve ends, as nerves will repair through a natural regeneration process. These repairs are aided by being wrapped in a nerve cuff, such as the NervAlign Nerve Cuff. ReNerve's NervAlign Nerve Cuff can be used to wrap around cut, known as transected, nerves to protect the nerve ends. The two ends of the nerve can be sutured together, as can the nerve cuff. Post-implantation, the nerve cuff acts as a barrier to reduce fibrosis in the nerve and eventual scar tissue penetration into the cut nerve ends. Whilst scar tissue formation is a natural part of the healing process, it typically does not function like the tissue it replaces, and high levels of infiltration into a healing nerve can limit the regrowth of the nerve itself. During this repair process, because the nerve cuff is biocompatible and porous, new capillaries, neovascularization, and cells can grow in and through the cuff material, ensuring a flow of blood and nutrients to healing injuries and additional support of the nerve. The unique feature of the NervAlign Nerve Cuff is it is a biocompatible matrix which provides protection for the regenerating nerve, whilst allowing the natural healing process to occur in the surrounding fascia tissue. As healing occurs, the nerve cuff is naturally resorbed by the body, leaving behind newly regenerated tissue. The cuff also serves to guide nerve fibers, assisting them to remain within the nerve bundle and reconnect, rather than sprouting into surrounding tissue, which can result in the formation of painful neuromas. Schwann cells from the cut nerve ends from the distal section of the nerve secrete cytokine factors that signal and attract nerve cells to grow from the proximal end of the cut to the distal end. By placing a cuff around the ends, it serves to help retain these guiding growth factors that are needed to guide and attract the regrowing nerve ends. As the healing process continues, the nerve cuff is slowly remodeled as it is no longer needed and becomes native tissue resembling that of the fascia tissue surrounding the native nerve. As it is bioresorbable, it is eventually removed, leaving behind newly regenerated nerves and surrounding tissue. ReNerve's nerve cuff is used to protect a repaired nerve to prevent scarring whilst allowing a natural healing process. The nerve cuff is bioabsorbed over a 6-month period as the nerve repairs and returns back to a native state. The NervAlign is a clean, safe nerve cuff that provides a protective environment that reduces scarring and allows for regeneration of the injured nerve. This enables the damaged nerve to return back to a native state, ensuring the patient gets a full recovery and re-establishes full normal function. ReNerve is focused on developing soft tissue surgical solutions to enhance patient recovery and restore normal function.